Everyone, may I have your attention, please?
Yes, Princess Priscilla.
Well, we must have a contest.
Okay.
And
Contest for you that.
I will give you a fake owner. Then you must tape your information all day. And then you will send the video to me. And then I shall decide who is the best moshling. Everyone got that?
Wait, but what's the prize?
The prize is 1 million rocks.
Oh, I'm so happy that I can finally buy a new room. Oh yeah, Pookie in the house.
Nice job, Pookie. Okay, but you don't know if you're gonna win, Pookie.
Wow, I am awesome.
We just let Bucky in. Well, okay, has everyone got that clear?
Yes, Princess Priscilla.
Okay, you must sign up. When you leave this building, you must sign up on a sheet of paper.
Okay.
It will have all your information on it.
Alright.
Okay, everyone? Whoever wants to enter this contest, please say yes.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Okay, thank you, everyone. You must be dismissed. No, we must find her.
I know.
I think that was Princess Priscilla.
Where'd she go?
We must find her.
She's gone.
Yes, I can see. And we just heard that scream. So we must find her now.
Yeah, but how are we gonna know? Groups!
Groups, everyone, groups.
We must all go in groups.
Everyone, me and Ecto have an idea.
What?
Since we are spookies and we can find Princess.
Yeah, how?
We fly there and we locate her.
So you could just teleport to her and then you'll teleport to place
Yes.
she is?
Yes, that is exactly right.
Okay, so why don't you?
Let's go. We're taking a person.
Come on, Pookie, let's go. Oh, look at this. It's the Dipsy's fortress. What a surprise.
What an unpleasant surprise.
Oh. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Where is
Princess
Priscilla?
We're not telling you anything. Fine then, we'll just have to squeeze it out of you.
Attack!
Ecto, attack! Yeah!
We shall get another Ecto. Come on, make Pookie. And we shall get another animal. We shall get another moshling.
Why do we need
to help us? So they can go find us.
Pookie, keep her down. Come on.
Let's go. We must find Princess. Okay, I'll go.
Pookie, keep her down. Help me!
I found Princess Priscilla. into and never come out until you're dead.
Hit it! Hooray! Hit it! Hooray! Hit it! Hooray! Yeah!
Yes! Yay! Everyone, thank you. I thank you so much. And I thank you. And everyone shall get 1,000,000 rocks from me.
Yay!
Okay, everyone. That was our video. Thank you for watching.
Bye.